Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Blender and creating a new file with an empty scene. Add a Bezier curve and position it along the desired lightning path. In Curve Properties, set resolution to 64 for smoother lightning segments. Set extrude to 0 and bevel depth to 0. 005 to get thin conductive geometry. Use tilt and radius in edit mode to shape forks and branches along the path. Switch to object mode and apply scale with Controller before adding modifiers. With your curve selected, convert it to mesh using Alt-C or Object menu to edit vertices. Add a displace modifier and create a noise texture for procedural jitter. Set noise strength to 0. 75 to produce sharp forks and irregularities along the strike. Add a subdivision surface modifier at viewport 2 and render 1 to keep detail manageable. Finally, add a curve modifier and target the original curve to align the displaced mesh back to the lightning path. Open the shader editor and assign a new material to the lightning geometry. Replace principled shader with an emission shader and set strength to 30 for intense glow. Choose a bluish hue around 7500 K to mimic real lightning color temperature. In Eevee, enable bloom and set threshold low to capture faint corona. In Cycles, use the compositor and add a glare node for streaks and glow. Render using 128 samples in Cycles or use Eevee with soft shadows for fast previews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.